ஹலோ வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு எங்கள் அம்மா பெங்களூரில் இருக்க பஸ்வந்த் குடி ஹோல்சேல் கடையை பற்றி சொல்ல போகிறாங்க.
ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி பெங்களூரில் ஒரு சாரீ ஷாப்பு, ஹோல்சேல் சாரீ ஷாப் பற்றி சொல்ல போகிறேங்க. அவங்களே மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுறது. இது எந்த இடத்துல வரும்னா பஸ்வந்த் குடியில் வருங்க. பஸ்வந்த் குடியில் சுதேவ் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். இது சுதேவ் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்குள்ளே த ராயல் த்ரெட்ஸுன்னு இருக்குங்க. இந்த ஸ்டென்சில்ஸ் எதிர்க்கவே ஐசிஐசி பேங்க் இருக்குங்க. லேண்ட்மார்க் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன், அதை பாருங்கள். ஐசிஐசி பேங்க் இருக்குது, அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட் தான். இந்த கடையை பற்றி சொல்லணுன்னா அவங்களே ஓன் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங்க. ஹோல்சேலுக்கு தான் கொடுக்குறாங்க, ஹோல்சேல் டீலர்ஸ்க்கு தான். லேடிஸ்க்கு வீட்டில் உட்காந்தே பிஸ்னஸ் செய்யணுன்னா இந்த இடம் சூட்டபிள் பிளேஸ்ன்னு சொல்வேன். கொரியர் ஃபெசிலிட்டியும் அவைலபிள் இருக்குது. அவங்களும் ஹோம் டெலிவரி பண்ணுறாங்க. நான் காண்டாக்ட் நம்பர்ஸ் ஸ்க்ரீன் மேலே கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அவங்களுக்கு காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணி கேட்டிங்கன்னா சாரீ டிசைன்ஸ் எல்லாம் காட்டுவாங்க. மினிமம் 10,000க்கு மேலே தான் எடுக்கணும். எடுத்தால் ஹோம் டெலிவரி பண்ணுறாங்க. அவங்க டீட்டெயிலாக இந்த வீடியோவில் ஒரு சாரீ பற்றியும் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படியே அந்த பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் அந்த பெல் ஐக்கான் கிளிக் பண்ணால் தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோஸ் வந்து சேரும்.
Namaste, Vanakkam, and welcome you all to Royal Threads. Royal Threads were wholesale saree vyapar. It is a saree shop where you find all fascinating, interesting sarees at a very low price. All those who want to start a business, or you want to enhance your business, or to expand your business, or you actually want to do business, definitely come to store. Royal Threads is in Baswant Gudi, Bangalore, Karnataka, and welcome on this festive occasion of Diwali. Definitely this is going to be a very good video for you. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and definitely a lot of information in this video to collect. Come, let me show you this one.
பார்த்தீங்கல்லங்க எவ்வளோ நல்லா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்கன்ட்டு. ஒரு சாரியை பற்றியும் நீட்டாக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறாங்க. எப்படி என்னன்னு எல்லாம் டீட்டெயிலாக சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். இந்த கடையோட அட்ரஸ் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுக்குறேன். அப்புறமா லொக்கேஷனும் லிங்க்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுக்குறேங்க. காண்டாக்ட் நம்பர்ஸ் ஸ்க்ரீன் மேலேயும் இருக்குது, டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்லேயும் கொடுக்குறேன். போய் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா எனக்கு கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.
In this video, I'm going to show you a lot of collections. Let's start from Kuppadam. Kuppadam sarees are one of your town manufacturing. So I know you all will be knowing about Kuppadam sarees. This is Elam Pillai Kuppadam, but we have our own machines established in Elam Pillai. That's why the prices are going to be really reasonable with us. There are a lot of colors, as you see, a lot of designs. Guys, quickly we will focus on some videos on some sarees also. So look at this is text Kuppadam. This is plain border Kuppadam. Then we have Zari Kuppadam. Then we have Meena Kuppadam, big borders, small borders, a lot of collection. This is Meena Kuppadam. Then we have Satin Kuppadam. This is also very beautiful, Satin Kuppadam. Okay, and then we have 1-inch piping Kuppadam. This is also very beautiful. All these have Okay, one more thing about this. I'm so proud of the fast selling design, and that is checks Kuppadam. Now, more about checks Kuppadam is it is a very beautiful fast selling sari because of its pallu and blouse contrastness. This is the pallu. Pallu is very beautiful as you see. Alright, and then there is an equivalent contrast blouse, so it is very beautiful. Trust me, this is one of the best collection. After this we have gold and silver. Gold and silver is again fast moving. So let me show you design. This is silver. In silver we have a lot of patterns, like the border will change. This is bubble pattern. Okay, I will show you one more pattern. This is another design. I don't know if you can actually check in the camera, but the design will vary on every saree. So this is again one of silver collection. Then in same we have likewise gold also, and then we have gold and silver printed also. So this is a printed collection, and this is gold and silver printed. Look at this, very beautiful jacquard border with prints. Excellent saree, very beautiful. Now come, let me show you other collection that I've got. I have got Bangalore. This is my dynasty, and I mean here you will find something that we manufacture. This is my area, and here in Mysore crepe we have very beautiful collections, all starting at very reasonable. I'm not mentioning price because we are manufacturers and we generally give to wholesalers or small housewives or small business who want to start the business. And in this video you will be finding a lot of collections, but definitely I'm not mentioning price. I'll just mention a price range or a price gap because you should recognize what range it might be. But for exact prices, contact me. This board line number is given in the video, and for more details you can also come and visit a store in Bangalore. Definitely ma'am will show you the store, so you can just have a look on all the collections that we have. Very collection. So after this I will show you the next collection that we have. These are printed silks, all very basic range, say about 200 to 300, that range. A lot of collection. This is borderless, and then we have this collection. Going forward we have Softy silk. This is also one of the best selling design and manufactured by us. In this I can give you a lot of designs. Look at this, this is very beautiful. So this is soft silk collection, and this is also very fast moving. This we have say about 100 designs. The designs are different. Let me just quickly show you. This is one design that you saw. This is another design. This is also very fast moving. This is another design. Then we have Kashmiri design. I'll show you Kashmiri catwalk also. Everything is just so beautiful, lovely collections, and there are a lot of designs. And then I'll show you one of my fast and best and my favorite collection in my store. Yes, this is my favorite saree in the store because this is something that is going to suit everybody. It is going to like by everybody, and the best part is the price is very reasonable. This is very beautiful. Look at this. This is an excellent saree. Going forward, we have something like georgettes. I'll show you what you've got in georgette, what you've got in plain concept. This is plain with double bridge piping. That is what we call double bridge piping. It has a contrast printed blouse like it is in the passage here. Then we have georgette sarees. Georgette sarees are also very beautiful. We have mirror work with georgette saree. This is very soft fabric. We have tassels, we have mirror work, we have accent colors, we have floral designs. Yes, and since it's Diwali, I definitely have more extraordinary products for you. So this is Softy silk. You can see Softy. We have 5 types. We have Softy starting at 850, which is the basic range, and then as the quality increases, the price also increases. We have Meena Softy. This is silver Softy. In Softy, we have lot of variants. This is silver Softy. Then we have Meena Softy. I will show you what exactly Meena Softy is. Then we also have copper Softy, rose gold Softy. This is Meena Softy. You can see this Meena Kari work. That is Meena Softy. This is the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree. It's very beautiful. So that was Meena Softy. Then I have something called yarn silk. Now what is yarn silk? This is complete a typical imitation of pure silk. Pure silk same saree might land up around 20 to 25,000 or maybe even more, but this is just very, I think 25 times lesser than the price that you pay for a silk saree. It's just so, but the finishing and the quality look is very beautiful. And nowadays, as the trend is, you want to wear one saree one time, or you want to repeat the outfit. So this is the perfect range of collection that you must go through. In this we have a lot of design. That was a peacock design. This is Arabic design. You can see this is the Arabic design. This is also very beautiful. So this is one more collection. So a lot of things. There's lots, and you can also see raw silk collection here. Look at this beautiful Meena Kari work raw silk collection. with tassels. Excellent. This is another collection. Then we have Dola silk collection. I will show you what is Dola silk. Dola silk is a very soft, velvety, touchy feel raw silk which is combed again and again to give that softness. And then we have beautiful work of gold and silver, beautiful combination blend of gold and silver motifs with contrast border, which is again small border that gives more adequate look. So, and then the rich pallu and contrast blouse. This is another thing. Then we have one more beautiful saree. This is again my favorite, and when I say my favorite, is best sellers, and one of the best selling saree is this. This is beautiful soft silk with mango border, beautiful combination. We have 20 shades in this, I mean 20 combinations in this. This is one of the best, and we have tassels also. This is perfect saree. So this is one concept. Then we have a raw silk concept. Look at this raw silk stripe concept. This is also very beautiful. This self color, natural self color concept. This is good for somebody who is above 40 years. So this is also likewise. Each design that I have here has some I can call some trait, some beauty, some difference, some uniqueness, some antiqueness, something rich, something extraordinary in every saree. So you have to come to my store to know more. Yes, you have to come to my store to know more. So this is again a very beautiful saree, two-tone silk saree with the contrast. This is two-tone. Two-tone, it will get a greenish look this side, it will get a yellowish, orangish look on the other side when you tilt the saree. So that is the beautiful effect of the saree. So likewise, we have two-tone collections. Then moving ahead, we have something in denim. In denim, we have varieties starting from a very basic of 300 to 50 range. So from that we have this is linen saree with satin border, two-tone satin border, and definitely the blouse is going to be contrast. So this is also very beautiful. Going ahead, we have something in plain concept. So in plain concept, look at this. This is a plain saree with stripes, shaded, and a beautiful satin shimmer blouse. This is in each of this we have a lot of colors. So I'm telling you, varieties are many. Look at this. This is roll press saree. Roll press saree is basically lightweight, extraordinary saree with a beautiful jacquard brocade blouse. Very beautiful. Then we have some things in offer, and that is like this. This is a buy one get one free offer at a very beautiful and reasonable price of 895. So at 895 we're doing two sarees, which means approximately just 450 rupees per saree. This is excellent, and trust me, the pallu is rich, blouse is rich. Look at the saree for gifting or for selling. You can easily sell this saree at 1000 rupees. So there are a lot of offers like this. Since it's Diwali and time to celebrate, definitely I will make a celebration extraordinary, because we have crackers and bombs that will definitely bomb your business. And look at this, we have something like this. This is Pochampalli print with cotton saree, and it has a very beautiful unique pallu, and that is the extraordinary part of the saree. Let me just show you the pallu of the saree. Alright, this is the pallu. It is beautiful mustard color pallu. Alright, you can see this. This is very beautiful. So likewise, we have a lot of shades in this also. This one video is not enough to cover all the products that I have, but roughly I'm just showing you some products, some random picture I'm showing you, but I have more than 10,000 products. Yes, you're listening it right, 10,000 products, which is below 500. I think I have more than 5,000 collections in different fabrics, be it chiffon, khadi, silk, cotton, semi-silk, be it raw silk, be it Bengal cotton, that we have mercerized cotton, then we have gas silk, then we have some things like georgette, weightless, 60 kilo, 40 kilo weightless. So all that will give you very adequate and easy look. And then we have Poonam sarees, which is starting from 160 rupees. And then we have tissue sarees, organza sarees, and then we have artificial silk sarees. Then we have Kuppadam sarees, we have jute sarees. In jute also we have a lot of different twists, like jute linen we have jute satin we have, and then we have soft linen, imitation linen, pure linen, tissue. And I also showed you, I'm yet to show you a lot of things. So I'm just roughly telling you what all collections you might expect here. So a lot of collections. Look at this. This is beautiful crepe saree with Kashmiri design and very beautiful self border. This is also very beautiful. In this also a lot of shades. Apart from this, we have Bandhani. Definitely when there is Diwali, you cannot miss it. Bandhani from Rajasthani. So this is Rajasthani pure Bandhani with fluent, beautiful single shades, rich border, rich blouse. Blouse also has beautiful Jardosi work. So this is also very excellent. And then colors, you can see we have a lot of colors here, like we have olive, peach, pink, blue, yellow, chiku, mustard, and the colors are many. And then we have this beautiful concept. This is called the closet chiffon. Closet chiffon means it has beautiful kind of wrinkle feel, which will give you a grip, so saree won't fall while draping. It will stay stand stiff, and then it has very beautiful. I'll show you a poster how exactly it looks. So this is the saree with the border without cover, so it will give you exact look. I'm trying to give you the exact feel on the camera itself, and that's why I try to identify the saree how it looks. It has some kind of metallic texture and a metallic look that is very beautiful, and there's an abstract design all over the saree. It has an abstract design all over the saree, and that is very beautiful. I'm showing you after wear effect. This is the after wear effect. Look at this, so beautiful. The beauty lies in the blouse, and the blouse is beautifully draped and worn. It is going to add on to the saree, and that's why we have 8 colors, 8 shades, 8 concepts, 8 designs in this. So likewise we can go with the other sky blue, then we have navy blue, we have red, we have Rama color with orange, we have peach, we have olive green. So there are too many things here. And then I'll show you satin, definitely shibori satin. This is one of again a saree that is liked by many, and especially boutique designers. If you're boutique owner, this is the right saree for you, because it is very reasonably priced. Satin saree, very beautiful. When you make something out of, for example, gagras or lehenga, something, when you create an outfit or you add some value addition to the saree, it is going to make mysteries. I'm telling you, it's so beautiful. And this we have 8 shades in this, and this is shibori print. Shibori is basically a kind of abstract split print. Some print is thrown like that, and we have 8 shades in this. And come on, let me just give you a glimpse of the shades that we have. So we have ash color, we have cream color, we have yellow color, we have green color, we have orange color, we have pink color, and then we have rose color, we have yellow color. So too many things. And we have green color. This is also very beautiful and liked in the rain. If this is by any comedian who's seeing this, definitely I'm sure you'll love this color. And then we have a lot of whites. In white also we have white with pink, white with orange, white with blue, white with yellow. Too many things. I'm so excited to share all of this to you. And definitely I want to show you more and more possible of my store. The bad and the sad part is what you're seeing now might be exhausted tomorrow. What you're seeing now might be exhausted, but do not worry. We have a lot of collections coming in every day. We have more than 5,000 sarees, which means approximately 25 catalogs coming every day. So you can expect a new surprise, a new concept, a new design, a new color, a new fabric every day in Royal Threads. And in Royal Threads we make sure quality is not compromised, because every thread is important for us. Royal Thread means every thread has to be royal, and you can expect so many things here. So alright, but do not worry, in case you are seeing this video late and you might not find the same collection, do not worry. I will try to source out. If not able to source out, I will definitely give you something different and new. And look at this. This is linen saree with beautiful gold motifs. Again, contrast blouse, contrast pallu, and this is also again beautiful concept. So I will not try to open. Okay, I will try to open this saree for you, because I'm sure you're seeing. When you're seeing this, you will definitely want to know more about the saree. So this is the pallu of the saree, and then the border is very beautiful. You can see this is the border of the saree. Pallu border, and the blouse is going to be contrast definitely, which is the blouse is going to be same like this, same as the pallu, so that it gives a very grand and a very festive feel, or maybe a wedding feel. So that type of richness is going to give you. And this is especially for all the youngsters. You have all pastel colors like olive, you can have orange, saffron, you can have cream, light ivory, pastel, ice cream shades is what we have manufactured in this, and that's why it is very good for youngsters, say. And then we have organza sarees, definitely again for boutique owners. This is a very big great news. In organza we have a very beautiful kind of organza, which is different from the market organza, because in this organza we've introduced something called patterning. Now patterning means this is actually in the normal organza. When you see my finger here, I'm showing you my point finger. So this finger is the normal organza. In normal organza we've introduced this. This is called the pattern organza, and to add on we have 3 to 4 inch zari weaving. This weaving, when you see it from far, it will give you some kind of designing. So we've added that also. So there are a lot of things here. And in this also we have 8 prints, 8 different colors, 8 shades, 8 prints. Okay, roughly let's go through it. This is the black that I showed you, and then we have bottle green, emerald green, very beautiful. Orange is definitely beautiful. Rose pink, pink is something that every woman wants to have in the cupboard. We have bright green, we have yellow, and we have wine color. Wine is the beautiful purple color. That is one concept that I have. Then I have soft cottons. These soft cottons are again different and beautiful because they are in budget. Justice. And then as I told you, we have a lot more things. So then moving forward, I have something called the batik silk. Batik silk is again very different, beautiful, unique, antique, best for gifting, best for personal use, best for daily use, and best for official use, which is like for teachers, bank officers, or if you are in any profession where you want to present something in sari, this is the best. And the best part is it is a uniform collection, which means you will also get uniforms. If you want 100 piece, 500 piece, 20 piece, 30 piece, I can give you maybe if it is below 100, I can give you 100 piece ready stock, and I have 22 shades. How many? 22 shades in this. So this is very beautiful. And look at the shades roughly you want. I will give you a complete shade card look soon. Moving ahead, we have satin sari. Satin sari is also one of the most wanted, and one of the difference in satin that is available online in a lot of websites or in any other online store. And here is the quality. The quality that I am giving you is going to be like a pure ghee Mysore Pak. It is just so fabulous, I'm telling you. Look at this. This is a borderless satin, which is of premium quality, finished well, polished well, with tassels and a very beautiful blouse. Yes, a very beautiful blouse. This is very beautiful, and contrast of the blouse can be changed on your demand. So for example, I'm just showing you roughly how many shades we have. We have wine with white that I showed you. We have a lot of colors which are new to the market. This is navy blue with pink, which you saw. This is very beautiful. Then I'll show you some new colors which you wouldn't have seen. This is a very beautiful color. Look at this. We can change the blouse maybe black if you want to have darker shade, or red is also going well with this. So this is a new color, English color. So this is also very beautiful. And then we have something in silver, black. The color, we have more than 100 shades. There is a shade card available with 100 shades. Milky silver. This is also very beautiful. Then we have deep silver as well. So for example, this is milky silver. This is the deeper silver. Like this. You see? There are a lot of things. There are really a lot of things available here. So this is one of the collection I want to show you. Then we have brasso. Definitely I cannot do. We have two types of brasso. One is printed brasso and one is the actual brasso. And in the actual brasso we have again premium brasso and normal brasso. A lot of variants here. This is printed brasso. The reason we have got this printed brasso because a lot of people have look at budget. They only have a specs of budget, so they want to have everything in budget. So this is for all those who want to have something in budget. This is reasonably priced, I think very much below 500, and look of sari is very beautiful, as you can see in the model and in the sari. I have not opened the sari, but yes, definitely you can see the colors that we have here. Look at the color shades that we have here. Alright, so this is there's a lot of color shades like black, blue, green, navy blue, royal blue, rama color, orange color, a lot of things that we have here. Then we have another interesting concept, an interesting sari, interesting design, interesting, that is the brasso. I told you we have the actual brasso. This is the actual brasso, lightweight chiffon sari with brasso effect. Look very beautiful. This is the brasso sari that I have, actual brasso. In this I have more than 20 designs. The designs will vary. For example, this is a kind of abstract flower design. We have rangoli design in this. We have butterfly design. Butterfly design is also very beautiful. You can see there are butterflies all over the sari, and there is a border contrast, which is very beautiful. Then we have this also. Look at this. This is also very beautiful. This is a brasso with this kind of motif. We have shades also. So a lot of things. I'm telling you, do not miss this store. Just come once to store. Okay, there's one more secret I want to tell you. Every Friday our store is on an official holiday. Every Friday of every week. But instead we are working completely on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, Sunday is complete working day. And second instruction I want to give you is from November 17th to November 23rd we are on a function, at a homely function. That's why we will be closed. So do not because I don't want you to land up here and find the office closed, so it will be a waste of time for both of us in fact, and therefore we will not be opening store on these dates. I will also I'll drop a notice at the end of the video so you can take out the instruction in return. Alright, so this is there, and I will also drop you location and landmark because if you really want to visit the store, it will be easy for you to guide. I also drop the board line number which is available anytime 24/7, so you can call there and you can inquire about all the details of you if you know about the location of the store or any other. The next side I'm going to show you is again the big hit, big hit. All the celebrities, Bollywood and Tollywood, have definitely taken these saris, and I have got great response for this sari. I'm sure you will love this sari. Look at this. This is the best sari that I have. This has a very beautiful kind of texture. It has a very beautiful border. It has beautiful color. It has beautiful print, and the best part is the combination is unique, and definitely it has a contrast blouse. Now for all those who are sitting very far, you are very far and you still want to purchase a saree, there is an option, but the option has one rule: the minimum bill has to be 10,000. Since it's wholesale store, the minimum bill has to be 10,000. If you are buying for 10,000 or above, there is a video call facility. We do a video call, show you all the collections that you want. You can pack, you can take a bag, and we'll pick all the sarees in a bag and I'll give you a quotation. Once you pay, we'll release the parcel and it will be delivered to your door, which is door delivery service at a very nominal charge, say 20-25 rupees per kg, which is hardly any cost. Per saree will cost you 5 rupees. It will be delivered to your home. So that is kind of service I can give you, but the minimum bill has to be 10, because we are focusing only on wholesalers, no retail. It is only wholesale, no retail. And then next, this is the first part of the not first part, this is one part of the video that I'm showing you. Now in this, going forward in second part, third part and fourth part, we have lot more collections. I'm very excited to invite you to my store, and definitely to come to my store. Anything for any other clarity information, do call on the number given on the board line. I am Akash, taking your leave, signing off from Royal Threads, and thank you so much for watching the video, and share this video to all those to whom it might help. For anybody who wants to start the business, for anybody who wants to expand the business, for anybody who wants to modify the business, or anybody who wants to know more about sarees, definitely visit Royal Threads. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart.